Thank you for joining this Quantum Security Defense webinar, Quantum Application in Nigeria, in Government and Business Sectors. Aliyu Ibrahim Usman is a cybersecurity researcher, financial crime investigator, and the founder and CEO of Cyber Cadets Academy, a Nigeria-based cybersecurity and defense innovation academy. He works at the intersection of cybersecurity, emerging technologies, and national security, with experience in cybercrime investigation, security strategy, and capacity building. Aliyu leads initiatives focused on preparing African institutions and businesses for future technologies, including quantum computing, through education, executive training, and strategic advisory.
Thank you very much for the invitation. Thank you everyone for joining today. I'm very happy to share some of the things that I believe is not only applicable maybe to Nigeria, but someone can take something from it. So my name is Aliyu Ibrahim Usman. As Anna said, I am a cybersecurity researcher and also love looking at the emerging technologies. And today I'm going to talk about quantum technology application in areas of government and businesses. Um, so I'm going to talk about this knowing that we at this stage we don't have a tolerant quantum technology, but based on the direction that our institutions are taking, researchers, organizations, we know that this technology is definitely coming in either 10 or 15 years. So my presentation is focusing on how Nigeria can um, apply this technology to solve some of our problems, because I believe that this technology can help us in so many areas, which I don't have the kind of time to put everything in here, but I think I put the most important critical sectors that we can apply. So I'm going to talk in three practical layers or stages that we can start working toward the technology. The first one is the near term, which can benefit Nigeria soon via accessing uh, partnership, which is something that Nigeria can start doing right now, uh, even without having like an actual fault tolerant quantum computer. And there is a midterm plan, which is what it can be doing for uh, the future, and then the long term, which is a strategic national plan. So these are the three stages that I believe we need to start taking. And throughout this presentation, I will highlight the plans that we can execute and how we can go about it. So I will start with the government applications. We all know what quantum computer is capable of doing, and some people even say they are still kind of looking at other areas to see the kind of power and the changes that can happen in that area, which means often now we don't fully understand the changes that this technology might bring in so many aspects, but we are still kind of I can say researching about that. So there are so many areas that I think quantum technology will be applicable in government sector. The first one is national security. As we all know, Nigeria is one of the largest countries in Africa, and also we have a lot of security issues that are happening, and those issues are very complex in terms of having like a good intelligence, having good technology to track and find exactly what happened, and also to forecast what is happening or who is planning to do what in the country. So I think quantum technology can be used in this area. Number one, for quantum self-security, because sometimes a lot of this happens due to leakage of information, and someone who is not the right person access this information and they use it to plan certain kind of attacks and affect people. And number two, there is protection of government communication from future quantum attacks. We all know that this technology is going to destroy so many encryptions that we use today. But Now it's not happening, but we are sure that there are so many countries that are already using what we call harvest now and decrypt data, attack the data and information that the government have. So this technology can be applied to solve that problem by building solutions that will make sure our government systems are safe and protected from any kind of attacks. Number three, there is secure military and intelligence communication. I believe like one of the key reasons why the security insurgencies are happening in Nigeria is due to not having a good intelligence or not having a good system that will kind of find the valuable information to predict what is going on, and also having a secure information means of distribution that the military and intelligence agencies can use to protect the information they have and also uh, destroy the plans of these criminals. So I think we can use quantum technology to build systems that will give us advanced intelligence analysis, which help us in finding better patterns recognition of planning of terror attacks, financial crimes, and armed trafficking.
Thank you for watching this preview. The entire presentation and over 150 quantum and advanced AI presentations from industry leaders are available on QSECDEF. Search for Quantum Security Defense to find out more.